What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon put in work, and we are here to talk about our big money making idea of the week: how to make $500 per month doing surveys. Doing surveys. Let's go. Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because, man, we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So, without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand: our big money making idea: doing surveys. All right, so I know you like surveys, D. Come on, man. Are you serious? Yes, I'm so serious. I'm serious as a heart attack, as they used to say back in my day. Nah, man. But seriously though, it's a lot of survey sites out there that you can really make you some extra income and you can use that to grow your side hustles, like your side businesses. You know what I'm saying? Maybe start a website, buy a website. Um, you can do a lot of things with an extra 5 to 6, maybe even $1,000 per month that you couldn't do if you didn't have it. You know what I'm saying? Knock out a couple credit card bills, get your credit score back to where you want it to be. You know what I mean? It's a lot of things you can do with this extra little bit of income. Not even a little bit of income, is a lot of it when you really think about it. In today's uh, toxic, high, stressful atmosphere. You know what I'm saying? Like jobs are being wiped out. Um, Things are changing drastically, way faster than what we thought they would be, and you gotta kind of combat that, you know. And sometimes you might not be able to find a second job. You might not even have the time for a second job, okay? Or you want a side hustle, but you don't even have the money to start the side hustle. You don't even know where you're gonna get money to eat from, right? So, and your day job is just paying your daily necessities, like light, gas, rent, and stuff like that. And a lot of times there's nothing left over at the end of the month, for savings or investment or growing something separate than what you're already doing. So that's why these money making ideas are imperative for you to use them to grow your income and grow your side hustles. Okay, so with that being said, today's money making idea is small tasks and surveys. Okay, and do it through a site called mturk.com. There's a lot of sites out there like this, but you want to start out with one and then move on to another. You don't want to overwhelm yourself uh, with this with these type of websites, because you do a lot of stuff on these websites for a small amount of money in reality. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a good about 20 to 26 of these websites that you can actually make money from just by doing tasks. But today we're going to talk about MTurk. I really like MTurk. Okay, MTurk is owned and ran by Amazon, which you can make money by completing small tasks and surveys. All right. The site lets humans perform tasks that robots still can't do well. Okay, so until they figure out some artificial intelligence that can do these tasks well, you want to jump on and get your money. You know what I'm saying? Get your cash, get your dough, get your dinero. You know what I mean? But seriously, because if you never know what can happen. Technology moves very fast, and saying you slow, you blow. That's how you go, Joe. For sure, for real though. You like that? You like that rhyme right there? You like that sequence? You know what I mean? But you take this money making idea, and then what you do is, once you can figure out how to use the site and figure out how to make anywhere between 2 to 3, maybe $500 per month using the site. Then you take it and you flip it. You know what I'm saying? Maybe buy you an e-commerce site. Then once you buy the e-commerce site, then you take that e-commerce site and put it on Instagram, and then create your Instagram account, and then you buy promotions from influencers and grow your Instagram account, and then you push people to click on your e-commerce site, and then you get sales, and then you've grown you a side hustle just by getting an extra $200 to $500 per month from doing small task and survey sites like mturk.com. Okay. And so, like I said before, I'm going to list a whole bunch of sites not in my description, but on a link to in my description that you can click on, or go to my website and you check out all the links there, and all the websites you can join. And some of them will be affiliate links. Okay. Some of them will have affiliates on them, but be that as it may, I'm here to make money too. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Gotta make my cash too, brother. But nah, seriously, check out the site. Go to the links. Start making yourself some side income, so you can take that side income and grow your investments, and grow websites, and things of that sort. You know what I'm saying? So that's my money making idea of the week. I'm going to do this weekly where I drop a money making idea. That's so you can make you some cash real quick. You know what I'm saying? Real quick, real quick. And then you can flip it and make and do something else with it, and then do something else with it, and do something else with it. You know what I'm saying? But now, seriously, it's all about the money, right? Right. So thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself. Devon put in work, Burke, and I'm here signing off for my money making idea of the week: how to make $500 doing small tasks and surveys. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.